What's up guys, today we're going to try to get running this Honda Kawasaki dirt bike. They've been sitting on our property for about a year now. Our friend left them here. So we're going to get them over to the shop and see if we get it running on first try. If not, then I guess we're going to do a little bit of work. I'll see you there. I've never really rode dirt bikes before. The only time I ever rode dirt bikes was when I was like 6, all the way until like 10 years old at like a friend's house. And they'll do all the work for me, so don't make fun of me. Assuming I just push down right here. Is that gonna stay balanced? I shouldn't move too much, right?
Probably will.
Alright, now task number 2. At least get the shop cleaned up a little bit better so we can move around a little bit more. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when we're done with that.
Yeah, it's started. Yeah, rev the engine.
Alright, so if I remember correctly, so the last time I rode one like 5 years ago, probably longer actually. Pretty sure I just gotta kick this down and give it a little throttle, I think. Gonna start.
Yeah, no shit.
Okay, well that's not starting. Let's try the green one maybe. See if that one will start.
Or maybe you'll know how to.
Are you still recording?
Just cut it out.
Right, so if it didn't start, I'm gonna assume we're gonna need to clean the carburetor. So let's figure that out right now.
Do you know what a carburetor is?
Yeah, I do.
Sure.
Do you know what a carburetor is?
Yeah.
Alright, well this probably isn't gonna start at all. Oh shit. Try it.
What's up?
He doesn't know what he's doing. What am I missing here? Do you know how to do this right?
Maybe that button.
What button? What button?
Never mind.
Yeah, shut up. Well, that's another fail.
Ooh, what was that sound?
You hear it? It's not starting. I may just be an idiot. I'm probably just gonna clean out the carburetor. So first things first, we gotta take off the seat. We're gonna remove the fuel line right now. So we'll keep that just loose right there. And then now, I need to watch YouTube again because I forgot what to do. All right, so next, we're gonna loosen the breather screw right here. All right, so now that that's all disconnected, we're gonna need to get the clamps off and be sure not to snap or break it because I really don't want to buy the new parts and that'll be kind of expensive. That's not good. I might have just lost the bolts I needed for that. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Oh shit. Come on. We could probably stuff this all out. I literally have no idea how I'm gonna be able to get the cable hot start switch to get unclamped. I said that I still need to get this coupling off. Come on, you sucker. There we go. And that's a carburetor out. All right, so let's set this down real quick. Not get nothing in there ruin it. And I'm gonna rewatch the video and see what to do next because I kind of forgot. Oh, here comes all the fuel. Oh, I forgot to drain it. Oh my god, that's a lot actually. So I'm just gonna unscrew all this down here, all these screws. Oh, come on. Oopsies. Can't say that. Yeah, that's stripped. I don't know what to do. So let me try to figure that out. I'll be back. I don't got the cleaner, so I'm gonna run over to a store real quick. All right, so I got it now. So we're gonna clean this out. Soon I'm gonna need to hook up these lights and turn it on, and so we'll get that done. So I just have the shop lights on already. And we're gonna continue washing this out, clean it up, and then put it back in right here, and hopefully put a little bit of gas and test ride it out here. And so at first, I was gonna just check it all in here and see what was wrong with it, see if I need to clean anything out. But since that bolt's stripped, I don't want to risk anything. I don't know where to order replacement parts. I'm gonna do what I just saw on YouTube, and a lot of people were just spraying the carburetor cleaner in and letting it just leak out, and then putting it all back together into the bike and starting it up and seeing how it does. So I'm just gonna do that. All right, so I just finished doing all the cleaning, draining, and everything else I was supposed to do. So now it's time to put this dirty carburetor. It's been sitting in the bike for a year now, actually longer than a year. We're gonna put it all back in. There's nothing in there at all. All right, we're gonna go get gas real quick then. Oh yeah, that's not enough to fill her up at all. It's not gonna run out there.
No shit.
All right, I got gas now. So we're gonna put some in this. Actually, we're probably gonna try it in the Kawasaki since this is the one I worked on the most. I hope it really starts.
It's not for the rim.
No, I think that's enough.
Yes.
That's all perfect. Oh. All right, let's try this again. Gas clutch stuff, all that random stuff. On. Pop the choke out. Here. God, my hands are so cold right now. I don't think it's gonna start. All right, so now for this one, we gotta try to get started. But what the heck? What is that? Why is that in there?
What the hell?
Can you guys please subscribe?
What the heck, dude?
That was weird. All right, but we're gonna put some gas in. Will it start?
Nope. Weak. Lame. Bad.
It wants to start.
Back to the center.
I don't really want to do this anymore now.
What do this?
Yeah, hold the clutch. This guy's always been luckier than me on stuff. You gotta just push that down hard. Push it down hard. What? Yes, mother. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit. Oh yeah. What?
It was smoking, bro.
Was it?
Yes.
Dude. Well, at least we know it starts.
That's the first time we actually got something running.
A year sitting. This is actually the first time we got something running.
The truck, it was the mechanic.
The truck was a mechanic. This is like the first, damn, I'm actually so proud of myself for this. I actually fixed it, what the heck? Oh my God.
I was about to give up too. I was like, no, let's just go inside.
I really thought I wasn't gonna run, oh my God. Like I said, this guy has better luck than me, and of course, just pop on and fucking put it on right away. That's it. After you're sitting, you got this one running. That's actually amazing.
I'm not kidding, bro. I wasn't recording
Are you serious? Oh my God, that's scary.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so after a year of those dirt bikes sitting out in the mother nature, the crazy stuff, full of black widows, mice poop and everything, we got it running and started. So hopefully next time we're doing another video, we'll get the red one and eventually this thing start running too. So I'm actually excited. I was really doubting my skills. I was like, damn, this isn't gonna ever work.
You mean my skills? Cause I got it
Or
running.
whatever, you got it running, but I'm the one that fixed everything because it wasn't kicking on at all before. So damn, that's actually amazing.
Your mechanics, my luck.
Yeah,
It's just
it's always his luck. I tell you, his luck is always better than my luck. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, share it around if you enjoyed it. I think this is gonna be a good video, so thank you until the next one. See you guys.